I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the battery information tools. Make sure battery sits between 30 and 80% to avoid skewed results. This range gives stable readings. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone because several diagnostics live there. Next, go to Settings Battery or try the service dialer code if your Tecno model exposes it. These steps let you access raw battery stats and system logs needed for accurate health checks. You now run diagnostics and observe behavior while the phone is active. Start by reading the battery usage graph to spot high drain apps. This explains why capacity appears low. Then use developer options to enable CPU and background process visibility so you can simulate load and observe battery response. For precise metrics, install a reputable battery app to read voltage, temperature, and cycle count. These numbers reveal chemical wear. While monitoring, note any rapid voltage drops or overheating. You finish by analyzing results and completing corrective actions. Compare reported capacity and cycle count against expected values. A capacity loss greater than 20% typically means replacement is needed. If numbers look inconsistent, calibrate by fully charging then discharging once, or perform a safe factory reset because software errors can corrupt stats. Make sure to collect screenshots and logs before taking the phone to a Tecno service center. If issues persist, rapid drain, swelling, or overheating, stop using the device and seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.